Good morning children, I am Ridula madam. Today I am going to tell you about shapes. Okay, so as we know that when I am drawing something on the paper like this, what I am drawing this. What is this? Which shape is this, Venkat?
Circle.
This is circle. Okay, but when I am talking about this ball, what is the shape of this ball?
Sphere.
What is the shape of this ball? It is also round.
Sphere.
It is also round. Now, but it is not circle. This shape will called sphere. This shape will called sphere. 2D shape means whatever shape, whatever we are drawing on the paper, that is called different shapes. Like I am drawing here one round, it will be called circle. I am drawing this shape, it is
Triangle.
this is triangle. Which shape is this?
It is square.
Square. And which shape is this?
This is rectangle.
This is rectangle. Okay na? So these all are 2D shapes. These all are 2D
Shapes.
shapes. And then what is 3D shapes? What is 3D shapes? 3D shape means solid shapes. 3D shape means solid.
Shape.
When something is solid, in these all shapes, they will call 3D shapes. And name also will be changed. Okay children, name also will be changed. Okay, so what is 3D shape? 3D shape means solid shape. Okay, like this is circle. When we will take one ball, then this shape will be cylindrical shape. Understood? Sorry, this shape will be sphere. This shape will be
Sphere.
sphere. Ball. What is the shape of ball? Ball will be
Sphere.
sphere. Okay, so I am not very good in drawing, so I am drawing like this. This is ball. The shape of the ball is sphere. Okay. What is this? This is round bottle. This side it is round, and this side also it is round.
This is
So
cylindrical shape.
So this shape will call cylindrical. This shape will call cylindrical. Cylindrical. How we will draw the picture of the shape? We will draw like this. Okay na? So anyone can identify that this is solid shape. Any solid shape is called 3D shape. Okay, like that only. This. When you will draw like this, it is triangle. But when we are taking this cone, this hat, this is hat na, this is birthday topi. Okay, so what is the shape of this cap? This
Cone.
cap, cone. Okay ना, this shape is called cone. उल्टा करके हम लोग इसमें ही आइसक्रीम खाते हैं. ये यहाँ से बंद हो जाएगा तो ये क्या रहेगा? सॉलिड शेप रहेगा. जो भी सॉलिड शेप होता है, जिसका वॉल्यूम होता है, वो आप लोग बाद में पढ़ोगे. That shape is called 3D shape. So this triangular shape will called what?
Cone.
Cone. How we will draw cone? This is cone. Okay. When we will draw, this is called 2D shapes, and all these solid shapes are called 3D shapes. Okay. Now you see this shape. This shape. From here it is rectangular type shape na, rectangular जैसा shape है. Okay, and this is also solid shape. So this shape will called cuboid.
Cuboid.
This shape will called
Cuboid.
cuboid. How we will draw this cuboid? टू रेक्टेंगल्स ड्रॉ करने के बाद इसको ऐसे ऐसे कर दो. So this is
very 3D.
So this shape is called cuboid. This is cuboid. All this type of shapes are called cuboid. Okay, now this is also cuboid. Okay. Eraser, your eraser. What is the shape of your eraser?
Cuboid.
It is also cuboid. The shape is cuboid. Okay. Now next shape is cube.
Cube.
Main difference you should know between cuboid and cube. What is cube? This is cube. Cube. ये cube. खेलते हो ना डाई से, ऐसे तुम लोग लूडो खेलते हो ना, तो क्यूबॉइड में क्या होता है, टू साइड्स, टू इक्वल साइड्स ओनली, ऑपोजिट साइड्स ओनली इक्वल होते हैं. ये ऑपोजिट इक्वल, ये ऑपोजिट इक्वल, ये ऑपोजिट इक्वल, ये ऑपोजिट इक्वल. ओके, तो ये क्यूबॉइड है. लेकिन जो स्क्वायर, जैसे स्क्वायर होता है ना, स्क्वायर में ऑल फोर साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं, वैसे ही क्यूब, cube means all sides will be equal. This side will equal this, and when you will turn side, then the sides will also equal. Means all the sides will be equal. Means it will be cube. It will be cube. When you are drawing cube, you have to draw it very carefully. Otherwise, cube will become cuboid. When you are drawing cube, you make these two square. When you are drawing cuboid, you make these two rectangular. Okay. So these are 3D shapes. This round shape is sphere. This glass type of shape is cylindrical shape. This triangular type shape is cone. This rectangular shape is cuboid, and this square type shape is cube. Okay children, so these all are called 3D shapes. This is 2D shape, this is 3D shape.
Ma'am,
Okay,
is glass also a 3D shape?
हाँ, glass is solid ना. Any solid shape is 3D. When you will draw one glass, how you will draw? Like this ना. This is 3D shape only ना.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay. What is the doubt you have?
What is the full form of 2D and 3D?
2D means two dimension shape. Two dimensions only you can see. 3D means you can see 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions means you can see the height, the width, the length. Okay, so it is called 3 dimension. 2D means only 2 dimension. You can see the height and you can see the width. Okay, that is why it is 2D and it is 3D. Okay, now we will see faces, edges and corners. First we will see face. What is face? When you will take any object, any cylindrical object or any cuboid or cube or cone, then this plane face will be called face. This plane surface will called face. Where is ball? In this ball, this all surface is plane. So this is one single face. In ball, one face is there. Okay now. In this sphere, how many faces are there? This is one full face. This is full face. And this is one more face. And this is one more face. So total how many? 3 faces. Okay? In this ball, only one face is there. In this cone, how many faces will be there? This is one face and bottom one face. Means only 2 faces will be there. When we will take dice, how many faces will be there? डाइस का फेस और क्यूबॉइड का फेस. मीन्स क्यूब का फेस एंड क्यूबॉइड के फेसेस एजेस कॉर्नर सेम ही होते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल टेक this cuboid and count the face. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5 face, and this is 6th face. So how many faces are there?
6 faces.
6 faces. Okay, now edges. What is edges? Meeting point of two faces is called edge. Edge. This long place is called edge. So how many edges are there? 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there?
12 edges.
12. Okay, now corners. Meeting point of two edges, 2 or more edges, 2 or more than 2 edges is called corner. So this is the corner, this is corner. Okay, so this is one. In your notebook also you can see this is one edge and this is one edge. 2 edges are meeting in this point. So this is will be called corner. And this is edge, this is edge, and this is face. Okay children? So now we will count the edges. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many corners?
8.
8 corners. Okay children? Same. In this dice also, in this cube also, you will get 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay. In this sphere, 1, 2, 3. 3 faces. This is 1 edge. This is 2 edge. And no corner. Corner nahi hai isme. So 3 faces, 2 edges and no corner. In this cone, this is one face. This is another face. Face will be there. When it will cone means it will be solid. And only one corner. No edges. Edges nahi hai isme. Understood na children? So what is face, what is edge, what is corner, and what is 2D shape and what is 3D shape. Hope you understood. If you have any problem, you can call me anytime. I will explain you again. Okay? Thank you children.